series loaded resonant DC to DC converters. A half bridge configuration of series loaded resonant converter is shown in figure A. The waveform and the operating principle of SLR, that is series loaded resonant converter, is same as that of full bridge converter. A transformer can be included to provide the output voltage of desired magnitude as well as the electrical isolation between input and output. The series resonant tank is formed by inductor LR and capacitor CR, and the current through resonant tank circuit is full wave rectified at the output, and the load current IL or inductor current IL feeds the output stage. Therefore, as the name suggests, the output load appears in series with the resonant tank. The filter capacitor CF at the output is usually large, and therefore the output voltage across the capacitor can be used to be a DC voltage without any ripple. The resistive power loss in resonance circuit is assumed to be negligible, which greatly simplifies the analysis. The output voltage V0 is reflected across the rectifier input as VBB, where VBB is equal to V0 if load or inductive current IL is positive, and VBB is equal to minus V0 if inductive current IL is negative. When IL is positive, it flows through T plus if it is on, otherwise it flows through diode D minus. Similarly, when IL is negative, it flows through T minus if it is on, otherwise it flows through diode D plus. Therefore, in the circuit shown in figure A, for IL greater than 0, T plus conducting, at that time VAB voltage is equal to plus 1 half VD, and VAB dash is equal to plus 1 half VD minus V0, and D minus conducting diode, at that time VAB is equal to minus 1 half VD, and VAB dash is equal to minus 1 half VD minus V0. So when T plus switch is conducting, at that time voltage of VAB and VAB dash is as shown, and when D minus diode is conducting, the respective voltage, that is VAB and VAB dash, is as shown in the equation. Similarly, when the inductive current IL is less than 0, that is T minus, at that time when the switch T minus is conducting, then the voltage VAB is equal to minus 1 half VD, and VAB dash is equal to minus 1 half VD plus V0, and when D plus diode is conducting, at that time the voltage VAB is equal to plus 1 half VD, and VAB dash is equal to plus 1 half VD plus V0. The foregoing equation shows that the load voltage appears across the tank VAB dash depends on which the device is conducting and on the direction of inductive current IL. The solution from the circuit A is applied to equivalent circuit B as shown in figure. For each interval, based on the initial condition and the voltage VAB and VBB, which appears across DC voltage for a given interval. In the steady state symmetrical operation, both the switches are operated identically. Similarly, the two diodes operate identically. Therefore, it is sufficient to analyze only one half cycle of the operation, since other half cycle is symmetrical. The output voltage V0 cannot exceed the input voltage 1 half VD, that is V0 is less than or equal to 1 half VD. the switching frequency, that is Fs, which is equal to omega s divided by 2 pi, with which the circuit waveform repeats can be controlled to be less than or equal to or greater than the resonance frequency F0, which is equal to omega 0 divided by 2 pi, if the converter consists of self-controlled switches. There are three possible modes of operation based on the ratio of switching frequency omega s to the resonant frequency omega 0, which determines if inductive current IL flows continuously or discontinuously.